Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Antonette. For today's video, I would like to share with you my top 5 favorite for the Chanel 21K Fall Winter Act 2, and it is supposed to launch sometime this September. So if you're interested, please continue watching and I'll tell you my 5 favorites. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Antonette. I post weekly videos about luxury handbags and I do unboxings, reviews, comparison videos, as well as I love sharing with you what's coming out for the future collection. So if you're into that kind of video, if you would consider subscribing and click that notification bell so you won't miss any future uploads. And you could also follow me on Instagram at alwaysantonette. We could communicate there as well. All right, so a month ago I posted a video on what's coming out for the 21K collection, and I have mentioned that there are so many eye candies for this 21K Fall Winter Act 2. And I know everybody has been waiting for this 21K, and today I'll share with you what's my top 5 favorite that you should be looking for if you're not sure as far as what is going to be the unicorn and what are some of people's favorite for this 21K collection. Right now we have the 21B, which is the Act 1. So the Act 2 will be launching pretty soon, or sometime in September. A lot of people are actually waiting for this collection to launch, and I'll tell you why, because there are so many beautiful pieces that are coming for this collection. So I'll share with you my top 5, and I have my 6th one, which is my kind of my runner-up. So the first one that we are all waiting for this collection will be the Coco handle. As we all know that the 21B collection did not have any Coco handle. So many of you might be looking for a Coco handle and you're wondering why you can't reserve or you can't get one. It is because the 21B did not have any Coco handle. So if you were able to get the Coco handle like myself, it was from the 21A. This 21K will have so many beautiful colors for the Coco handle. Particularly for myself will be this iridescent pink Coco handle. I think this is going to be one of the unicorn. This is going to be something that a lot of ladies already reserve before it launches. And what I love about this is that it's so unique. As you can see in the picture, it has the rainbow hardware, which is very rare for a Chanel handbag. And I love the iridescent to it. And it is also in Caviar. So it's really pretty. And I really think that a lot of people will be eyeing on this Coco handle. And another color that is so pretty for this collection is this blue Coco handle. It is iridescent light blue, and it has that greenish bluish color to it. I really think it is beautiful. I think this is going to be perfect for the spring summer. And again, it's going to be another of the unicorn for the 21K collection. And so for those of you that are not a fan of the pink as well as the green, let me just share with you what is coming up for the Coco handle and what are the colors that are coming out for this collection. So this Coco handle, it will be in green calf skin, which is also Caviar, and the iridescent will come in light purple, light pink, and light blue. And it will also come in chevron in black. And the other colors for the Coco handle, listen to this, will be in white. It will also be available in black, burgundy, light purple, light blue, blue, and brown. So it is the NF385 brown. It is not the caramel brown from the 21P collection. However, there is a rumor that there will be a price increase even before it launches. So right now there's no price increase just yet. And I really think that before the 21K collection will be released, the Coco handle will already go up in price. And I heard that it will go up from $300 to $500. So I know it's a bummer. A lot of us really love the Coco handle. I love my Coco handle. So if you have been eyeing for one and wanted to get one, so right now the Coco handle in the mini or small, it is $4,200. And the medium that I got, it is for $4,500, and that can change anytime once it launches. All right, so my next favorite for this fall winter act 2 will be the mini flap bag with top handle, and I particularly love the light blue and the dark pink. I really think it is beautiful. They are coming back for this season. It's still gonna be in lambskin and gold tone metal hardware. So right now for the 21K, it will come in black, light purple, light blue, navy blue, dark pink, and the blue colors. So there are going to be so many options as well for the mini flap bag with top handle, and that is why it made it to my top 5 favorite. I love how it has a top handle. It gives it a little bit of character to it. All right, so the third favorite that I have for this collection is, of course, the rectangular mini. And the rectangular mini, just like the classic flaps for the 21K, will have so many colors to choose from. And just like the classic flap for the 21K, the rectangular mini will have so many options available. I fell in love with their iridescent colors. And the good thing about this is that their iridescent will be in calf skin, and it will come in light purple, light pink, and light blues. And another favorite of mine that I think is beautiful is this gradient perforated lambskin and silver tone metal, which is the light blue, light purple combination. It's like a gradient color, and I really think it's beautiful. Again, for the mini flap this season, there's so much colors that you could choose, and that is why I really like it. I know even after the price increase, I think that the mini rectangular is still worth it because it will just keep on going up in price. And for right now, I really think that these colors will be worth buying for the mini flap. So for those of you that have been wanting a mini flap and you wanted something in white, if you're not really a fan of the iridescent colors, but you want and you've been waiting for the white color, then yes, they will have a white color for this season. It's gonna be crumpled glossy calf skin for this season. So it's gonna be in white. I haven't seen it. I don't know how it will look like. And also I'm not sure as far as it depends on what country they will offer this in white, but you know, just ask your SA if they already have a photo or if it's gonna be offered in the country where you're at. So my fourth favorite for this collection will be the Chanel 19 in caramel color. I have mentioned that in my previous video that the 21P caramel is coming back, and yes, it is coming back for this collection, and it will be the NB356. And I'll put a comparison pictures between the NB356 from the 21P as well as for this upcoming 21K. So I really don't know, you know, sometimes with pictures, with lighting and stuff, it's really hard to differentiate if, you know, they're similar, they're different. It's just, you know, you'll see it once it launches or once it's here and you'll see the difference. But what I heard is that it's close to as far as colors and it's really pretty. And I heard so many ladies are already reserving from their SA for this Chanel 19 in NB356. However, I really don't see this color being offered in the classic flaps or in the mini flaps, so that's very unfortunate. If you are looking for a boy bag though, this color will also be available in the boy bag, the NB356. So I just want to let you know out there that for those of you that miss out on the 21P caramel color, that it is coming back for this season, and you have another chance for this caramel bag. All right, so last but not the least, my fifth favorite for the 21K collection will be their new mini flaps in caviar leather. And yes, it is coming in the caviar leather. So this will look more like the Cocoa Crush with the adjustable strap. However, the strap on this one is slightly different, and I love how it looks. I love how it is in caviar leather. If you follow my channel, you know I love my caviar leather. So I really love this new mini. And so right now it will come in green, pink, and black and blue. So those are the 4 colors for this new mini flap. So if you have been waiting for a mini flap in caviar leather and you wanted something that is adjustable, then this might be the bag for you. So this will be available in the 21K collection. I really think this is also one of the unicorn bag. This will go fast, and I think reserve will be crazy for this one. So if you are wanting a caviar mini bag and an adjustable strap, then ask your SA if they could reserve one for you. Alright, so for those of you that also wanted to know about the classic flaps, they will also be offered in so many beautiful colors for this collection. And it will also be in the iridescent colors that I had mentioned. And they will also be available in white, light purple, light blue, dark pink, blue. They will also have, of course, in the iridescent colors, which is the light purple, light pink, and light blue. And the classic flaps will have some metallics and gradient colors, iridescent, and all that beautiful colors for this season. So if you are waiting for the 21K, if you have been waiting to add a Chanel bag to your collection, then you might really want to consider the 21K collection, because I really think that there are so many beautiful colors, styles to offer for this season. And so yeah, so there you have it, ladies, my top 5 favorite for the Chanel 21K Fall Winter Act 2. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and click that notification bell so you won't miss any future uploads. Again, thank you so much for watching this video today. Have a blessed day, guys, and I'll see you soon.